मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। मेरे 10वीं में 70 से नीचे आए हैं। I scored below 70% in 10th. I scored below 70% in 10th. मोबाइल तकिए के नीचे है। The mobile is beneath the pillow. The mobile is beneath the pillow. मेरा नाम लिस्ट में तुम्हारे नाम के नीचे है। My name is below your name in the list. My name is below your name in the list. मेरा देश सबसे पहले है। My country is above all. My country is above all. वो आपके कहे का उल्टा करता है। He does opposite of what you say. He does opposite of what you say. उसकी तस्वीर मेरी किताब के नीचे है। Her photograph is beneath my book. Her photograph is beneath my book. मम्मी जी पेड़ के नीचे बैठी है। Mom is sitting under the tree. Mom is sitting under the tree. पैसा प्यार से ऊपर है। Money is above love. Money is above love. मैं एक गली से गुजर रहा था। I was passing through a street. I was passing through a street. सोच से परे भी चीजें हैं। There are things beyond imagination. There are things beyond imagination. मैं दोपहर में वहां था। I was there in the afternoon. I was there in the afternoon. वो उसके जन्मदिन पर वहां जाएगा। He will go there at his birthday. He will go there at his birthday. यह फल 10 रुपए किलो बिक रहा है। This fruit is selling at Rs 10 a kg. This fruit is selling at Rs 10 a kg. राहुल एक स्टोर में काम करता है। राहुल वर्क्स इन अ स्टोर. राहुल वर्क्स इन अ स्टोर. तुम ईमानदारी के साथ जीते हो. You live with the honesty. You live with the honesty. क्या तुमने उसकी शिकायत की? Did you complain about him? Did you complain about him? अपने से बड़ों का कहना मानो. Obey your elders. Obey your elders. मैं कभी उसे पैसे उधार नहीं लेता. I never borrow money. I never borrow money. हम हमेशा समय पर पहुंचते हैं. We always reach on time. We always reach on time. वो अपनी हंसी नहीं रोक पाई. She couldn't hold laughing. She couldn't hold laughing. और she couldn't control her laugh. She couldn't control her laugh. हम खराब माल कभी नहीं बेचते. We never sell defective products. We never sell defective products. तुम खामखा परेशान हो रहे हो. You are stressed for no reason. You are stressed for no reason. उसे ताला तोड़ना पड़ेगा. He will have to break the lock. He will have to break the lock. उम्मीद है आप मज़े में हो. Hope you are enjoying yourself. Hope you are enjoying yourself. इससे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? What difference does it make? What difference does it make? क्या तुम कुछ बोलना चाहते हो? Do you want to say something? Do you want to say something? बच्चों का आधा टिकट लगेगा. Children travel half fare. Children travel half fare. न खुद करते हो न करने देते हो. Neither you do yourself nor let do. Neither you do yourself nor let do. उसका भी कोई नहीं था. Nobody was his either. Nobody was his either. तुम मुझे रोक नहीं पाओगे. You will not be able to stop me. You will not be able to stop me. मुझे कल फ़ोन करिएगा. Call me tomorrow. Call me tomorrow. आप किसे प्यार करते हो? Whom do you love? Whom do you love? कितने घमंडी हो आप? How arrogant you are. How arrogant you are. क्या आपको कुछ चाहिए? Do you need something? Do you need something? मैं ऑफिस के लिए निकल रहा हूँ. I am leaving for office. I am leaving for office. अपना खाना जल्दी ख़त्म करो. Finish your food quickly. Finish your food quickly. आज कितनी तारीख है? What is the date today? What is the date today? यह सब उसकी चाल है तुम्हें फंसाने की. This is all his conspiracy to trap you. This is all his conspiracy to trap you. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता. I don't think so. I don't think so. मैं एक आध घंटे में तुमसे मिलूंगा. I will meet you in an hour or so. I will meet you in an hour or so. कान खोल कर सुन लो. You better listen up. You better listen up. अपने दांत अच्छे से साफ करो. Brush your teeth properly. Brush your teeth properly. मेरे मोबाइल को मत छेड़ो. Don't touch my mobile. Don't touch my mobile. उसने बस थोड़ी देर काम किया. He worked just for a while. He worked just for a while. अपने जूतों के तस्मे बांध लो. Tie your shoelaces. Tie your shoelaces. वो मेरे पीछे पीछे फिर रहा है. He is running after me. He is running after me. वो काफ़ी समय से यहाँ है. He has been here for a long. He has been here for a long. ये आपकी हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा है. It is good for your health. It is good for your health. तुम्हारे दिल में कुछ तो है. Something is there in your heart. Something is there in your heart. मैंने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं तोड़ा. I didn't breach the contract. I didn't breach the contract. वो एक आध दिन में आएगा. He will come in a day or so. He will come in a day or so. थोड़ी देर के लिए मेरे साथ रहो. Stay with me for a while. Stay with me for a while.